Hey everybody, it's your girl Miss D Dollars and I'm back with a new video. So today I'm going to show you how I got this high ponytail. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. All social media tags will be in the description box as well as the products used. Thank you for watching again and I'll see you next time. Hey everybody, so we're going to start on week-old braid out. This is my hair after a week of doing nothing to it. It's not that bad, but as you can tell, it's kind of dry now. So to start this video off, I'm going to do a bun. Let's do a bun. Products I'm going to be using today is Eco Styler Gel. Looks like that. In this spray bottle, it is some Tresemme conditioner and water, brush, and hair bows. You can get from your dollar store. Just soak my hair with this water and conditioner. Put the ponytail on the highest part of my hair. I don't want it towards the back. I kind of want it sitting on top of my hair. So I'm going to get a hair bow. Might need to get two in case one breaks. Okay, so pull my hair just to tighten it a little bit, and I'm going to take my hair and make sure it's hair all around, because then we're going to take the hair and we're going to wrap it around in a bun. While I'm wrapping it, I'm slightly twisting it so the ends are tucked in, if that makes any sense. Just like that. But of course, you can't have a hairdo without your edges laid, okay? So I'm gonna get my toothbrush and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have a regular toothbrush here. I'm gonna take some gel on the toothbrush. Just dip it on the edges. Get a little bit. And kind of brush my edges out. We're not forming them right now. I'm just brushing them out. now what we're going to do is scoop. Are laid, I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to wrap that up in this way, and then I take it and fold it again so it looks like this.